So let's talk about just some other strategies. There are irrevocable trusts where a beneficiary can disclaim a gift. There are charitable remainder trusts. We love when our clients have charitable goals and helping them to accomplish that, where you can put appreciated assets in a special trust that says, hey, when I pass away, the assets in this trust are going to go to charity, but in return, you get a tax break up front and you get lifetime income from those assets without taking a big capital gains tax hit. There are personal residence trusts where you transfer a home into a special trust. It's a way to remove future growth in the value of your home out of your estate and sometimes get other discounts. There are grantor retained annuity trusts where you can put stock. You put it in these special trusts, you can get discounts. There are irrevocable life insurance trusts where you set up a special trust that actually buys a life insurance policy for you, totally out of your taxable estate. And we often will use multiple tools. Now, we're big fans of keeping things as simple as we can and as elegant as we can. We don't want to do too many tools. But I think the point here, again, there is no one size fits all approach, but there are a lot of options out there to potentially save, truly millions of dollars. And I want to spend just a minute on charitable giving because we love helping families with charitable giving. Before Gilfix in the Fall was founded, my parents, Michael Gilfix and Myra Gerson Gilfix, ran nonprofits for years. They started America's first free legal aid program for elders, SALA, Senior Adults Legal Assistance. So charitable giving is a very simple way to avoid taxes. One very simple strategy is, hey, if I'm over 12.92 million, the first 12.92 million goes to my kids, and anything over that, I'm going to leave it to charity. And anything you leave to a right kind of charity is tax exempt. Now, if you want bigger charitable goals, if you want to leave hundreds of thousands or millions of dollars to charity after you're gone, and if you want to involve your kids for charitable cause and get them involved in a win-win way to help nonprofits and to give back, you can create a family foundation. We've helped many families to set up family foundations. And this is where, if you really want your kids to be involved in an ongoing basis, you put money into the foundation. It does have annual requirements. You have to file with the IRS every year, with the state, and you have to spend a certain percentage of the funds in the family foundation every year, but it can pay a salary to people who manage it. It can be kids or grandkids managing that, and it can support charities over the long term. And you can do fundraisers. You can also do donor advised funds, or more passive, where you put money into a fund and maybe your kids can be involved in directing where the assets go down the road, but they're not that active. A family foundation is a wonderful way to have family involved, maybe for multiple generations. And again, they can raise money into it in the future, put on parties and fundraisers, and support many, many different charities. So charitable giving is another wonderful estate tax planning tool that we want you to be aware of. So you can contact us at gilfix.com, 650-493-8070. I hope everybody's staying safe, sane, and healthy.